Welcome to Study Loop.
Drawing the diagram first. So I am going to draw the situation that is given in the problem, and with this help of this diagram I will solve the problem. So just look at it carefully. This is our diagram. I just write all the forces that are acting in the diagram. So this is our final free body diagram. I also show the distances where the forces are acting. Now theta is given as 30 degree, so I just change it into radian. So theta is equal to 0.52 radian. Now the summation of moment about point P. So I am just writing a equation here. So just look at it carefully. This equation will be very helpful in solving the problem further. So this is the equation. So look at it carefully. In the next step we can write kt into this plus this. I just put some values here, and in the next step I will solve it further. So kt can be written like this. I just solve the upper equation. Now in the next step I will solve it further. So just look at it carefully. We can write kt is equal to this. This is our final value, and on solving this we get kt is equal to this. This is our answer.